Alright, also see a before and after video. Say bye-bye to the Contour. My dad's got a chain. Quiet. You guys can probably hear the old 350 coming back here now, but we're gonna pull this sucker out. 2 flat tires, maybe not from my slashing tires videos. The doors are locked. Brandon, pull on that door handle one time. Pull on that door handle. They're locked, but yeah. I told him we could just break the frickin' window, but this car is denatured from my videos where I've been messing with it. You know, the inside is all ripped apart. The ignition module, it's all just gone. But look about behind you. It's just sliding. Stay. I don't know.
Why is he like stopping and doing the thing?